Imagine standing on one leg for just 10 seconds. It sounds easy. But according to new medical research, this tiny 10-second test may tell us more about your long-term health than you think. In today's video, we're breaking down what the 10-second one-leg stance test is, how it's linked to mortality, what major studies across the world have found, and what this means for seniors and healthy aging. Let's begin. What is the 10-second one-leg stance test? You stand on one leg, eyes open, hands by your side, and try to stay balanced for 10 seconds. Doctors use this test to check balance, muscle strength, and neurological stability. Why balance? Because balance naturally declines after age 50 to 55, and poor balance is strongly connected to falls, disability, and even long-term health outcomes. Major 2022 mortality research study, one of the largest and most important studies on the 10-second one-leg stance test, was published in the British Journal of Sports Medicine in 2022. This study included 1,702 adults between the ages of 51 and 75, and the participants were followed for 7 years. The researchers found that 20.4% of the participants were not able to complete the 10-second balance test. Over the 7-year follow-up period, 7.2% of all participants died, but the mortality rates were very different between those who passed and those who failed the test. After adjusting for age, sex, BMI, and existing medical conditions, the study showed that people who failed the test had an 84% higher risk of dying from any cause. The researchers concluded that the 10-second one-leg stance test is a simple tool that can give useful extra information about a person's health, especially for middle-aged and older adults. What about national norms? New 2025. Korean study. A new 2025 study in Journal of the American Medical Directors Association found average one-leg standing time at age 66. Men, 20.39 seconds. Women, 18.26 seconds. Low income, obesity, and chronic disease reduced performance. This provides important benchmark values for healthy aging. Across all these studies, one conclusion is clear. Your ability to balance on one leg for 10 seconds tells a powerful story about your long-term health. It reflects muscle strength, neurological health, mobility, aging rate, risk of disability, and even mortality risk. You don't need fancy equipment, just 10 seconds, one leg, and you get a snapshot of your overall health. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Always consult your doctor or healthcare provider before making any changes to your diet or treatment plan. The information shared here is collected from top medical research sources. But due to video time limitations, not all data can be included. For full research references, please check the video description